With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that the number of nearest neighbors of each sphere in hexagonal closed packing pattern in its own layer will be option A 4, option B 6, option C 12 and option D 8. So in this question we have to tell the number of the nearest neighbor of each sphere in hexagonal closed packing pattern. Now here we have to see the hexagonal closed packing, and we know that in hexagonal closed packing the coordination number of a particle is equal to 12. It means each particle will touch 12 spheres, right? So let us see the type of packing in hexagonal closed packing. So first of all, we'll draw here the first layer. So as you can see, this is the first layer, that is A, right? Which is observed in hexagonal closed packing. Now above this layer will be another layer, and below this layer will be another layer. Now if we draw the layer which will be above this, it will be like this, right? So as you can see, in the above layer, the particle, or you can sphere, will lie above these three spheres, forming a trigonal void, right? So that will be second layer, and that layer will be known as B layer. Now basically in question we are asked about the nearest neighbor of each sphere in hexagonal closed packing pattern in its own layer, right? So we just have to find out the nearest neighbor particles in the same layer. Suppose this is the particle. We'll consider this particle. Now if you see, this particle is touching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spheres in its own layer. It means the nearest neighbor of this central sphere is 6. Right? So here the coordination number of this particle is 6 in its own layer. We are not considering the layer which is below this layer and which is above this layer. We are considering only one layer, right? So if we see another layers, let me show you the diagram. Now here you can see, if you consider this central particle, it is touching 6 particles in its own layer, and it will touch the 3 particles which will be in the above layer and 3 particles which will be in the below layer, right? So the coordination number of the particle will be 12, and the coordination number of this particle in its own layer will be 6, because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 particles. So in this question we are asked about the number of nearest neighbor in its own layer, so that will be 6. So here answer will be option B, 6. So option B is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.